Hi everyone, Miss Andronicus here, and today we're looking at expanding double brackets. When we talk about that, it's everything in the first bracket multiplied by everything in the second bracket. So you can see with these two brackets up against each other, the x plus 2 right up against the x plus 5, it's essentially adding this multiplication sign in between them. Let's go one term at a time. I'll use this example to start. So I'm going to put in a couple of arches to really illustrate what I'm talking about, because it's very important that we don't leave any terms out, and that can very easily happen. So I'm going to take this first term and I'm going to connect it to the first term of that second set of brackets. I'm also going to take that first term and connect it to the second set of brackets. The other lines that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the second term and I'm going to connect it to the first of the second brackets and the second. So you can see that I'm working one term at a time within the first brackets and making sure that every step of the way I'm making those multiplications. So here I go. I'm going to start with that first term and the red arches. Okay, so that x multiplied by the x. So this is the first arch I'm looking at. That's x squared. X times x, x squared. And then we have a look. X, looking at this long arch, multiplied by 5. So x multiplied by 5 is 5x. Then we go to the second term. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. This is all positive, so everything's positive. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Okay. Then we go and simplify where possible. So we've got an x squared. We know we cannot bring that together with the x and the term without a variable. The only things that we can bring together is the positive 5x and the positive 2x. So x squared stays. You end up with 7x and you end up with 10. And that is the most simplified version of that particular example. Having a look, if we keep going to the second example, I've put a little cautionary note there. Be careful of the negatives, particularly when there are 2 in both brackets, okay? But have a look. If we go again to connect, I'm going to do x multiplied by x first, and then x multiplied by 2, and then again I'm connecting these, so I need to be aware of that. Okay, let's get started. So x multiplied by x is x squared, x multiplied by the 2 is 2x. We go negative 7 multiplied by x is negative 7x. Negative 7 multiplied by positive 2, you know the negatives win, so it's negative 14. Okay, so from there, again, combining like terms, these are the only ones that I can see that are alike. So x squared, you've got positive 2x, negative 7x, negative 5x, and subtract 14. And that's it. Be very careful of your negatives, particularly if that was, for example, negative 7 multiplied by negative 2, 2 negatives would immediately make a positive when you go and write it down here in your workings. So just be aware of that. Thanks, guys.